50,000 subscribers! We made it, guys. We passed the finish line and made it to 50,000 subscribers. And you know what that means? That means that we have to pull one lucky subscriber to win a brand new Mavic Mini. But before I'm gonna explain the process, what I'm gonna do from here, then let's reflect a little bit about 50,000 subscribers. That's kind of insane to think about it. How many people that is. What does that actually mean? That means, of course, 50,000 people have subscribed to the channel. Imagine if you put all of you guys in one field, how big a crowd that would be. That's actually the amount of people that would fit inside the National Stadium in Denmark. So that's kind of mind-boggling that this is even possible. It's also the fact that there are over 50 million channels in total on YouTube. And currently I rank maybe, I don't know, 450,000-ish in the total ranking of channels on YouTube. So that means that I have made it to the top 0.5% together with you guys. How amazing is that? 50,000 subscribers is also a lot, especially if it's in a queue for the toilet. If it's one of them MK toilets, it would be a really long queue. By the way, this is one of the worst inventions mankind ever made, was to make toilets that is shared between men and women. Because I don't know what the females are doing in there, but it takes a million years for them to be done. But that's a different story. So the deal was pretty simple. When the channel passed 50,000 subscribers, I would pick one lucky subscriber that has signed up for the contest by using their email. What I'm gonna do now, right after I've published this video, is to go to the Kingsumo interface. Then I will have the system random pick one of you guys, and I will write an email directly to you informing you that you are the potential winner of the giveaway. As I mentioned when I introduced the giveaway, there are some conditions that you need to meet to be able to get the prize. And one of them is that you actually need to provide an address for me that will allow Amazon.com to ship. Once I've verified the winner, I will post the winner's YouTube name in the comment below, as well on other social media. On my Facebook page, the Tech Drone Media and Discussion Group, on Twitter, and also in the community feed for this channel. If you're not already a member there and you want to use these platforms for verifying who has won, then there's also links for those in the description below. Expect this process to take a couple of days before we have the winner. I hope you enjoyed this giveaway. If you did, then feel free to give this video a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.